Aging is an inevitable process, yet it is often met with resistance and fear. Society places great value on youth, associating it with beauty, vitality, and opportunity. However, as Meryl Streep insightfully notes, getting older is not for the weak. Aging is not merely about physical decline, but about a profound transformation of the self, one that brings newfound confidence, wisdom, and acceptance. It is a journey that demands resilience and courage, but in return, it offers the priceless rewards of inner peace and deeper appreciation for life. One of the greatest gifts of aging is the liberation from insecurities. In youth, many are preoccupied with meeting societal expectations, seeking validation, striving for perfection, and fearing judgment. The pressure to conform can be overwhelming, leading to self-doubt and an incessant need for approval. However, with age comes the realization that external opinions hold little weight compared to one's own sense of self-worth. The desire to please others diminishes, replaced by an authentic acceptance of who we are. Additionally, aging teaches patience. In our younger years, we often rush through life, eager to reach the next milestone: graduation, career advancement, relationships, and personal achievements. We measure success in rapid progress and tangible accomplishments. However, as we grow older, we understand that life is not a race, but a journey meant to be savored. We become more present, more deliberate in our actions, and more appreciative of the moments that once seemed insignificant. Embrace the wisdom that comes with age and let go of insecurities and haste. In doing so, you will discover a more fulfilling and authentic existence. The physical changes that accompany aging can be daunting. Strength diminishes, energy wanes, and the body no longer responds with the same agility as before. Yet, while the body slows down, the mind and soul gain a deeper sense of confidence. Experience becomes our greatest teacher, equipping us with the wisdom to navigate life's challenges with composure. This newfound confidence stems from years of trials, triumphs, and lessons learned. We become less afraid of making mistakes because we recognize their value in shaping who we are. We understand that failure is not a reflection of weakness, but a stepping stone toward growth. With age, our steps may be slower, but they are more intentional and assured. Embrace this phase of life with confidence and know that each step, though slower, carries the weight of wisdom and experience. Let your journey be guided by the strength of your spirit and the depth of your understanding. Life is a series of gains and losses, and aging teaches us the delicate art of letting go. We lose people, some to distance, some to changing circumstances, and some to time itself. Yet, instead of clinging to what was, we learn to appreciate what remains. Aging brings clarity about the relationships that truly matter. The superficial connections fade, leaving behind the bonds that are built on love, trust, and shared experiences. Letting go is not always easy, but with age comes a sense of peace in doing so. We release grudges that once weighed us down, realizing that forgiveness is a gift to ourselves. We let go of unrealistic expectations and embrace life as it is, rather than how we once imagined it should be. In this phase of life, we begin to cherish the moments and people who have stood the test of time. Our hearts open to new experiences and relationships, but with a deeper understanding of their transient nature. Embrace those who stay, for they are the pillars of your journey. Let go of the rest and find solace in the wisdom that comes with age. The true meaning of beauty. Perhaps the most profound revelation of aging is the redefinition of beauty. In youth, beauty is often equated with flawless skin, a toned body, and a youthful glow. However, as Meryl Streep wisely states, beauty was never in the skin, but in the story we carry within us. True beauty is found in wisdom, kindness, and resilience. It is in the lines on our faces that tell stories of laughter, sorrow, and survival. It is in the way we treat others, the way we love, and the way we carry ourselves with grace. Aging allows us to appreciate a different kind of beauty, one that is not fleeting but enduring. It is the beauty of a life well lived, of lessons learned, and of the ability to find joy in the simplest of things. Aging is not a burden, but a privilege. It is a journey that requires strength, resilience, and a willingness to embrace change. While youth may bring energy and ambition, age brings wisdom and contentment. We may walk slower, but we walk with confidence. We may let go of some things, but we cherish what remains. Most importantly, we learn that beauty is not about how we look, but about the stories, experiences, and love we carry within us. In the end, aging is not for the weak. It is for those who are brave enough to embrace its gifts. As we reflect on aging, let's remember that this journey is not one we take alone. Each step, each wrinkle, and each gray hair tells a story of resilience, love, and shared experiences. Our journey is intertwined with the lives of those we cherish, creating a tapestry of memories and lessons learned. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and family. Your support means a lot to us. Embrace the journey, celebrate the moments, and continue to walk with wisdom and grace. Until next time, stay inspired.